Hi y'all, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is doing wonderful today. I'm going to be working on a 7x14. I'm going to do a 5-cup flip cup, and I'm going to be using the little medicine cups. I've already sprayed the cups with my WD-40 silicone, this right here. And today the colors I'm going to be using is the Liquitex Basics Quinacidone Magenta, Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black, Master Touch Crimson, and Liquitex Basics Gold. Now all of my colors do have silicone in them, and I'm going to start with the magenta first, and I'm doing it light, dark, light, dark. So next to my black, I'm going to put the gold instead of the crimson, not in the order I showed you it in. And let's get the black. Oh, we got a little bit goop. There we go. And I love the metallic sheen from this 24 karat gold. It is so beautiful. I think it will go good next to the black and the crimson. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another layer, possibly two, in the same order. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward it. Alright, so I was able to get 3 layers in. And I got a little bit, I think I just have a little bit enough to play with afterwards, so that I hate when I don't have enough paint on it. I can't really play around and stretch it out when I want to, or me trying to stretch it out because it's got blind spots on it. So I'm gonna, spots, sorry. I'm gonna make a little design in each of the cups to help merge the colors together, not blend them, but get them in a little bit of a mixture. Alright, so I'm going to try this new thing I've seen where I put a spatula over, and what I do is I need to hold the cup, move the spatula. Oh wow, that does make it easy. Try that again. Whoops. See, I had to say something. There we go. I think I need to get a stiffer spatula so it don't bend on me a little bit like it's doing now. But it's a perfect size. I really like the spacing it has for the cups. So that worked out great. Okay. Now with that silicone in there, that's going to make all the paint go down. Now I'm not going to punch holes in the bottom of this because I'm not doing my flip and drag, so it really doesn't need the oxygen for it to go down and come out because I'm doing a flip cup. So, alright, let's see, let's go with the middle. Ooh, that's pretty. little bit better with the flip and bringing all the paint down. Oh wow, look at all those beautiful cells already coming up. Alright, so I'm going to give it a torch and see what comes up. And get the air bubbles pop. And the silicone. I'm not going to touch that middle one. It's already going good. Well, not the middle one. This one right here. Wow. That one's turned out beautiful. Okay. Let's let it rest for a moment. Let's see what I want to do first. All right, I'm going to try getting the paint to be the same weight next to each other. Try to get the entire canvas covered. I am having a problem today with the tongue twisters, it seems like. Okay, let's bring it back up. Oh, those cells are beautiful. Okay. Start going at this direction. Bring the paint back and go down again towards this corner. Try to stretch it out, get that canvas covered without losing too many of those beautiful cells. Let's see, I'm going to help it out a little bit. I'm just helping it out, doing this here, sorry, to give the paint something to grab onto so the canvas doesn't keep holding on to it and makes it harder for me to get it all the same. All right, here we go. Let's go up this way. There we go. Get that paint rocking a little bit. Trying to get that corner. There we go. Let's bring it back down this way. Oh, I am loving those colors. I just grabbed some colors that I don't normally put together, except for the gold and the black. So I would try to see what, there we go, I would get, and I am really loving this. Bring it down a little. Try to help it to grab. So it'll go smoothly over the edge. Oh, that's perfect already. Wonderful. This side almost is. Bring it down a little bit. All right. So now I'm going to bring it back down this way. Got a little bare spot on the canvas over here I'm trying to get. Actually, two bare spots, it looks like. bring it more at an angle to get that corner. Help it out a little bit. Alright, now let's get that paint back to center. Oh, I am loving this. This is gorgeous. Let's see. I'm going to bring those cells back. Might have overstretched it to bring back to the right, same size it was. Oh, wow. Alright, so let's give it another torch and see what happens. I'm hoping something right here will come up. Let's see. Now I'm not hitting the paint, I'm just heating it up. You don't want to heat the paint because that's how it possibly can catch on fire. And also you don't want the paint burning, even if it doesn't catch on fire. Got some caterpillars there, but I actually like it in here. I'm really liking this. Wow. And that magenta is beautiful right through there. And it's interesting how every cup is different for what it did. But I'm so happy I kept those cells right there. Oh, I'm getting a little bit of lacing right here with the gold. That is absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to see this dry and have it varnished. Let's see, is that an air bubble or something? An air bubble. Okay, good. Oh, so beautiful. Sorry. I'm just really happy these colors turned out. I was not sure at all how this would be, but I'm really liking it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please do hit the like and subscribe button for me. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified next time I put up my video. Well, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.